does one find happiness? Happiness lies in struggle, when you are falling down. The magnitude of the struggle you face and its importance to you are directly correlated to your sense of success and happiness. Struggle is essential for men. You should seek to incorporate it into your life permanently. If you inject struggle and solving those problems leads to positive outcomes, you'll become addicted to it, transforming into a machine of monumental achievement. There are simple things you can do. Weight training, playing chess, striving to take care of your mother, and retiring her, and ensuring that your loved ones are cared for. You need goals, resistance, and challenges to live well. The distance between pain and joy defines our experience. If you only have joy all the time without any pain, you won't be happy. You don't need drugs, alcohol, parties, or festivals. Fun is a vector from which Satan operates. Fun activities are often hedonistic and offer no financial gain. Don't retire your mother. Don't help the world. Don't contribute to charity. Don't make you stronger or wiser. And don't teach you anything. Next time someone suggests doing something fun, ask yourself, will it lead to meaningful experiences? Life, especially for men, is about doing the right thing because it must be done. Some fun activities can be earned through skill, but much of the easily accessible fun is meaningless. You don't need fun until you've reached the highest echelons. The idea that you need fun in your life is misguided. What you need is purpose, discipline, hard work, and tasks that benefit you and those around you. You need duty, obligations, and performance metrics. Surround yourself with people who hold you accountable. Don't wake up thinking about fun. You're not important. Nobody knows who you are. You're not physically strong or financially wealthy. You have bigger concerns. Your obsession with fun is holding you back. These things you think are fun aren't really fun. Checking your bank balance at home, not going out, seeing $20 million liquid is very fun. Much more fun than anything else. Accumulating wealth may not be fun, but it's the most fun in the universe in a way. For men, contentment comes from purpose, competence, and achieving objectives. It comes from completing difficult tasks others can't. It will never come from easily accessible hedonism mistaken for fun. If everyone can do it, you shouldn't want to do it. If everyone can attend that concert, you shouldn't want to go. If everyone can go to that club, you shouldn't want to go. You should only do things others can't. The only fun you have is doing things others aren't allowed to do. Look, if everyone is invited to a party, I don't need to go. If it's the event of the century and everyone is there, it's trash. Before you do something fun, ask yourself who else can do it. If the answer is everyone, stop. You must focus on you are. Train hard. If you say to yourself, skip professionalism so that we can go and do something that everyone else can do, you must say no to your own self, because you will only find actual fun through purpose, and you will only find purpose through exceptionalism. Therefore, you need to become the best possible version of yourself in all realms. This is extremely important. The reason you are so unhappy is because you are trying to not fall down for fun, instead of trying to become important in a way that you can learn by falling down sometimes. This is the difference. You will never feel satisfied in your heart unless you become important. Imagine being important. It is absolutely much fun to be important. As a man, you need to have struggle or fall down sometimes in your life. I want you to actually sit and think, what struggles are you facing daily? What struggles are you undertaking? What struggles are you trying to overcome? You should make a list of them. Every single day, you must get up and endure a significant amount of physical and mental pain. That is a struggle that must be completed. Even if I fall down ill, get up again for what? For the family and take care of everyone. Struggle involved falling down. Life is difficult, but difficult lives are fulfilling. People who are too comfortable, they often end up being unhappy. You can't entertain yourself into happiness. You must earn happiness. You must climb a mountain. You must struggle and fall down to find happiness. True happiness comes from purpose, struggle, and becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this message inspiring, make sure to subscribe and like our content for more motivational insights. Stay strong and keep striving for greatness.